always thank the universe. That's the secret to being happy. If you forget to be grateful, you start getting miserable. Buddha said all the riches, all the beautiful women, best wine and stuff does not give you happiness. But basically, Four Noble Truths of Buddha. First, life consists of suffering. Number two, there is a reason for our suffering. And usually the reason is either ego, desire, pleasure, or attachment. Third is there is an end to our suffering. And the end to our suffering is in the Eightfold Path. Meditating, controlling your thoughts, doing more asceticism, letting go of pleasure, letting go of desire. Not trying to be rich. Not trying to have the most beautiful woman in the world. Or the most rich guy in the world.
But these sound good, bro.
Yeah, it sounds good, but do you feel content after? Let's say you sleep with a 10 out of 10 girl. You feel happy afterward? Yes, for some time, but then you go back and you feel maybe even worse. Same with money. You never feel like you have enough money.
Yeah.
That's the problem. So Buddha...
I mean, it's real. I never feel like I have enough. I always want to have more.
That's the human nature. It's the greed inside of us. I think this guy's great. Number one human in the whole history of humanity.
Cool, bro.